Yes, magandang araw mga kabugal sa makilupalop ng mundo at ng Pilipinas, bringing you this beautiful residences. This is the Lay Chateau Residences here in P. Hernais Street, Extension, Taculing, Bacolod City. If you want a beautiful spot overnight or maybe a long stay, or I don't know how long you wanted to, this place is such a beautiful place. The ambience, the layout, the design, the furniture, so adorable, peaceful, at napakaganda. And most of all, of course, yung friendly na pagtanggap, pag-welcome sa atin. So we actually have the 2 apartment bedroom. They also have the studio and studio deluxe. Just visit their website. Pagpasok mo, there's that small living room. And right beside that, yung overlooking na spot in the terrace. They also have 2 bedroom. There's this fun bedroom and an air-conditioned bedroom. And beautiful about this is they also have TV for amusement. It's a cable TV and the dining table that actually has, of course, that kitchen and that cupboard if you like. They offer, of course, other services. They have microwave that you can use, refrigerator. And of course, no, titingnan nyo lang guys, napakaganda ng place, di ba? 2 bedroom, there's this fun room. Oh, di ba? Look at this. Na meron na rin closet, all right, for comfort. See? And there's another room. This is the air-conditioned room. O, diba? Kung gusto nyo talaga mag-overnight na medyo alam nyo maganda sa pakiramdam, lalo na pag mainit ngayon, there's this air-conditioned room. And I think you would love to stay here. Plus, of course, they're decent, clean rest room. Isa sa mga pinaka-importante when you stay overnight or maybe days sa isang hotel or residences ay yung kanilang rest room. O diba? Napakaganda. So ano pang inaantay niyo people? If you want to stay overnight or maybe days here in Bacolod City, check out Lay Chateau Residences. Should I say, isa sa mga magagandang hotels and residences here in Bacolod City that I actually found. Pangalawang stay ko na dito. Nag-stay ako dito last time, yung lola ko na operahan dito sa Bacolod. I have to stay overnight dahil nga sa work. And they offer Wi-Fi services. Yes, true.